Now we'll look at the second example, how to interface switches and LEDs. So here the 8051 microcontroller, for port 1 we are going to attach 4 switches. So these are the 4 switches: P1.0, P1.1, P1.2 and P1.3. The 4 switches are connected to these 4 lines of port 1 in 8051 microcontroller. Then port 2 is attached with the 4 LEDs via P1.0, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. So P3 is associated with the switches and P1 is associated with the LEDs. Now we are going to write from port 3 and the contents of this has to be passed on to port 1. So for this just we have only 2 instructions: move A comma P3, and that means from port A we are going to read on to the accumulator, and the contents that we have read on accumulator are passed to port 1. So move P1 comma A. So these two just instructions are going to read the status of the switches. According to the status, the LEDs are going to be either switched on or switched off. Now coming to the third example, interfacing of 7 segment display. Already we know that 7 segment display contains 7 segments, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and 8th one is taken to be the decimal point. So in order to illuminate, so each segment and the decimal point is associated with an LED. So whatever digit we want to display, the corresponding segments has to be set on, and the remaining has to be in off state. So generally we'll be giving the numbers in BCD. A 4-bit number is given, and that 4-bit has to be converted into the equivalent 7 segment display code in terms of 8-bit information, and this is going to be done by an intermediate converter 74LS240 chip. So now to interface with the 8051 microcontroller, as usual, port 3 is used to read the BCD number, and this is going to be given to the 74LS240 via port 1, which converts from a 4-bit BCD code to the 8-bit 7 segment display code. So just we are going to read from port 3 and write on to port 1. So there's only the previous instructions are enough. Now in order to display all the contents, the BCD code and its equivalent decimal 7 segment code is stored in a table, and that table address will be given in general. So this is how the table is constructed. So an 8-bit information is generated from a decimal number. So for 0, the decimal point is 0, the segments G will be 0, and the remaining all segments will be set to 1, and the data is 3F. Similarly for the remaining digits 9 up to 9, the codes are 3F, 30, 58, 4F, 66, 60, 70, D7, 7F and 8F. So this code is conversion is automatically taken care by the interfacing device 74LS240. Thank you.